Windscribe VPN, your shield in the digital realm. In today's digital age, the internet has woven itself into the fabric of our daily lives. However, with the convenience of connectivity comes the responsibility of safeguarding our online privacy and security. This is where virtual private networks, VPNs, come into play, and Windscribe VPN stands out as a formidable guardian of your digital footprint. It offers a secure and private internet connection that empowers you to browse with confidence. How Windscribe VPN protects you. Windscribe VPN accomplishes this feat by directing your internet traffic through encrypted tunnels. This technological prowess makes it a Herculean task for anyone to intercept or monitor your online activities. Your digital life remains concealed, just as it should. Versatility across platforms. One of the outstanding features of Windscribe VPN is its compatibility. It seamlessly integrates with a wide array of devices and operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and more. This versatility ensures that you can safeguard your online activities across multiple platforms.